Hello everyone. Once again welcome in day 16 of Self Transformation series. First of all, thank you to all of you, the ones who have been connected from last 15 days in this series. My dear friends, this series won't have days. This series is the series of our transformation, our self-transformation. So it does not require the day. It does not require the time. It just requires a thought to be imbibed daily. And gradually this thought which we are imbibing early morning will help us to connect with ourselves, to change ourselves, to mold ourselves. So my dear friends, in this series, I would just like to inform you the magical portion you will gradually see. You have noticed, or you must have noticed, that before the beginning of the topic, I used to motivate you daily with this thought that yes, there will be a change. Yes, you will be receiving the certificates, the passports of this degree of self-transformation from yourself and from your family members as well as friends. Because they will be the ones who will be giving you this certificate. And how you will be receiving this certificate, I will let you know. When they will see or experience the change in you, and the day they will speak on their own without you insisting them, they are speaking about you, that I can see a difference in you. I can see now you are not like this. Now you have little bit changed. That day, you should pat your back and say, yes, I have received the certificate today. So this is a signal. But don't just wait for that signal also. Don't just think that, no, I'm working so hard on my thought process and nobody is appreciating. Because we don't need any appreciation. We don't need any certificate. It will gradually come to us. My dear friends, these certificates, these passports, these appreciations are like the shadow of ourselves. When we are trying to catch a shadow, when the shadow is in front and we are trying to catch, it always runs away from us. But when we just turn away from the shadow follows us. Always remember this thought, the appreciation, the certificate, the passports of your life from others, it will gradually follow you once you start ignoring that, okay, I have to get it from this and this person, or he is not giving or she is not giving. So my dear friends, this is Self-Transformation series, and as I told you, the ones who are enjoying this series want to be a part of this whole thing, then this is just a part of the big transformation. And for that, you have to go to the description box and see the details. So the magical hidden portion is in description box, where you will come to know that how this series is going to continue and can help further. So now, without wasting much of your time, I am taking you to Self-Transformation series topic for the day. So my dear friends, today the topic is claim the degree of destroyer of obstacle. So today we all have to take the degree, and the degree name is destroyer of obstacle. Means you will get a degree where it has been written that your name, and you are getting a degree of destroyer of obstacle. So obstacles are there, but you are holding this degree that I am the destroyer of all the obstacles. Wow, what a great degree. So let's see how you can receive this degree. So first of all, you have to focus on all the obstacles which are there in your life, which you have experienced in your past or in your present, or maybe in the future also. You are thinking that it will come in future. First of all, we have to see all those obstacles in our mind. So right now you are just listening to me. But once this talk is over, you just sit for a while with a pen and a paper and just recall all the things as obstacles which were there in your life. Pen it down. When you pen down all the things, you will come to know there will be so many obstacles related to yourself also. So many with the family. So many with the friends, so many with the workplace, so many with the environment, and there will be so many others. So once you know, okay, these are my obstacles, okay, the next step what you have to do is why they are there. Why these obstacles are in my path. always remember, when we were in LKG, that class was difficult for us. But when we pass LKG and move to UKG, UKG became difficult and LKG was simple for us. So gradually, the more and more we move ahead in life, the obstacles, the hurdles become more and more strong. When we were in class 10th, then we used to say, oh, what was that LKG? It was nothing. But now, since we are in class 10th, so I am experiencing that pressure. Same way when I am in graduation, class 10th was nothing. Same way, my dear friends, these obstacles of life are like this only. They are the papers, they are the hurdles, which will actually make you to move ahead by your experience. And there is like two-way benefit. Number one, you are going to explore the new path. You are going to help the new path in looking and observing the things. And secondly, you will be helping others also. That yes, my dear friend, you have been stuck in this situation. This is the way, this obstacle is there. I can suggest my way. Don't force them to do that way only, but you can suggest that way, and then you can further help them. So in this way, my dear friends, you have to see that all the hurdles of your life are the papers. And these papers are making you experienced for that situation. And once it is over, you are moving to the next class. But now the thing is, how should I claim this degree of destroyer? At times, okay, I am prepared that my paper is there. I'm going to clear my paper, but somewhere or the other that hurdle is in our mind. Somewhere that thought is there. Yes, how to come out of it? Then it comes to that you have to be in the canopy. Canopy of whom? Canopy of Almighty. Yes, my dear friends, experience the canopy of God. Once you just remember that Almighty, that Supreme, that energy in whichever form, you appreciate Him. He is with me. This little bit of thought will create a canopy around you. And that canopy, my dear friends, will be the best way for helping you to come out of your hurdle. Isn't it easy? Yes, it's really, really easy. So, what is the way? The way is really simple to get the degree of destroyer of obstacle is, first of all, focus on your obstacle, pen them down, think that Almighty is with me. This thought will create a canopy around me, and then you can come out of all the hurdles. So, my dear friends, explore this canopy of God by the thought and see that all the little noises, all the little hurdles which are in your life will gradually cool down. So, with this thought, I leave you here. To connect you with next time, I just wanted to give a thought to you that yes, my dear friends, explore your inner talent, transform yourself and move ahead. So see you tomorrow with a new thought in the self-transformation series. Till then, please practice it. And one more thing, friends, please comment so that I will come to know whether you are actually facing any problem or you're enjoying whatever way. So please drop your message in the comment box. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. God bless you all.